Hello viewers, in this video we're going to be talking about how to set up virtual warehouse on Snowflake. To set up a virtual warehouse on Snowflake, we need to go to our admin and click on warehouse. And come here and click create new warehouse. And you can give the warehouse a name. So I'll call the warehouse name software. Let me use capital letter software underscore WH, which means warehouse. Comment is optional. You can say this is my, let me use this is my data department warehouse. So here you can choose the size of the warehouse depending on the load of data you'll be ingesting. So they have extra small, medium, and so forth. So the larger the memory of the warehouse, the more expensive it is. So for this one is 1 credit per hour. This one is 2 credit per hour. So for this video, we're going to be using extra small. So they have some advanced warehouse feature, which is when you click on it, here is auto resume that can automatically resume and automatically be suspended too. Here is their time limit. After the time limit when you're not working, when you're not using the data warehouse, how many minutes it would take for it to get suspended. So here is 10 minutes. You can still reduce it to 5 minutes. If I'm not using it for 5 minutes, suspend the warehouse. And here's the warehouse type. We have standard. For we that is using trial version, we only entitled to standard. They have the one that is called economy, which is for the paid user. So you can click create. So let's refresh it. So this is our warehouse. So this is our warehouse now. So we can create our worksheet through our warehouse. So this is how you set up your warehouse on Snowflake. Thank you for watching my video and continue learning.